Hey guys, this is just a follow-up video to the light sensor project I did with bricks, my last video. On this video I'm using the Seymour to mimic the same output lights that you see here on my box. And this is just pretty much a light sensor that is going into my bricks analog input module, and that controls my output relay module, 24 volts, which controls my my indicators here. And you can see that when I put my finger in front of the light sensor here, you see the outputs react. So, and when I move my hand light sensor, you see on the Seymour as well. So I'm going to do a quick demo. That light sensor is going to detect the 3 states of my office light, which is going to be off, low dim, and maximum brightness. So you can see